Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change colors in pivot chart columns. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I already created pivot chart. To change the color of column, simply click on the column. Okay. Then right click of the mouse and click on the format data series option. And here you can see the format data series is open right hand side. Click on the first option fill and line and here you can fill here the color in fill option. Select the solid fill and in color select the color. Okay, so here you can see the color of column. Okay, pivot chart columns is changed. Okay, if you want to use the gradient fields, click on the gradient field, drag below and you can add here gradient stops color. In first stop, select the first stop, then select the color here. So I select this one. See the changes in the column. Then I select the second stop and select the color here. Third stop, then select the color here. Fourth, okay, that's it. And see the changes in columns colors. Okay, this is the way you can use the gradient field. In pattern field, you can use here a different pattern for your columns. Okay, see the different pattern you can use. See, you can change the pattern color also. So I select this one. See the pattern color also you can easily change. You can change the background color also. Just click on this arrow and select here the background color. See the background color also you can easily change. Okay, to field column. Okay. So this is the way you can use the pattern field. So this is a way you can change the color of pivot chart column. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.